Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys a look at this professional ultrasonic cleaner. Right on top we got the instruction manual. We've got a carry bag. There is the cleaner itself. Here you've got a USB-C cable. Looks like you also got these tweezers. So here is the ultrasonic cleaner itself. This has ultrasonic waves and it also has UV up there, and that'll reflect down using that mirror. So you fill this up with water, you can put dentures, you can put jewelry, you can put other small items in here that you want cleaned. And it has two different modes. If you tap it twice, it'll have just strictly UV mode. If you hold down for 3 seconds, then you will get the ultrasonic mode, which has a shaking, it vibrates the water plus the UV. Let's just look at the inside. You can see the max fill line right there for the water. On the back right here, you've got this nice waterproof cover, and that's where you'll plug in the USB-C to charge. It takes about 2 to 4 hours to charge, and the charge lasts about 20 days, and this thing runs for 5 minutes long, so you can just let it sit and this light will go off once it's completed. I have gone ahead and put water in there. I'm going to drop this retainers in there, close it, and then hold down that power button for 3 seconds. And there it goes. You just let it sit for 5 minutes.